gonna get in jail for nothing. I'm not gonna get in jail for nothing. Every week you're broke.
Okay.
You're broke. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. Close. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. Y'all still here. What is y'all doing? Goodbye. See you later. Bye. Y'all not supposed to be going to jail, bro.
And she broke your door.
A young man rents his niece's room while she is out of town for a while. He pays her each month, but recently has been allowing one of his female friends to stay with him. And after she comes home one morning extremely drunk, he sees a different side of her and simply wants her to find somewhere else to stay. But she doesn't make this easy and refuses to leave. And leaving would have been the very best option for her, but officers soon find out she has other plans.
So what's going on now?
Alright, so was you one of the officers that just left?
The other officer's on his way. So
okay, all right.
This is just a continuation.
Yeah. So she's saying she's basically like getting ready. I don't know if she was getting ready to call you guys and make false allegations, but I don't know. Once she went to saying, "Oh, I can call them back and tell them that you pulled my hair and slapped me," they'll take you to jail without asking you any questions. Or if I was to call them back now and tell them that you tried to, they'll come and arrest you and take you to jail with no questions. I say, you know what? I ain't even finna play them type of games. Since you on that type of time and I ain't even finna play them type of games, I don't even want you here no more. So I want her gone, like right now. Cause if you'll call and tell these type of lies on me, I don't want you around me. I don't want you around me. I got too much going on. I work a good job, all this. I don't got time to be put in situations like this. And then this not even my house and it's not hers. She's just a friend of mine, and I paid my niece to be here because my niece is out of town.
So how long has she been here?
So she's been here with me for the last 2 days, but she left last night. She literally just came back this morning. Woke me up out my sleep because she's super drunk.
All right, so what's going on again?
And this girl, I went to saying all types of weird stuff out her mouth. Oh, I can call them back and tell them that you pulled my hair and slapped me. You'll get arrested on the spot. Or I can call them back and tell them that you just they'll come back and arrest you on the spot. They won't even ask you any questions. I don't want nobody around me like that. If she gonna call y'all and tell y'all that I just tried to stuff like that, I don't even want her here. She was here last night. She left. She doesn't live here. She doesn't live here. I don't even live here. This is my niece's house. Mm-hmm. I'm only here because my niece is out of town. And I was paying her to stay here because it's just an empty apartment right now. So,
but she came here last night.
She came here this morning. She left. She was gone.
Okay, what I'm saying is, prior to her leaving, where was she? Was she here? Was she?
Yeah, prior to her leaving, she was here last night.
Okay, she came here last night. She left and came back this morning.
Yeah, she just got back this morning, like 6-something this morning. Mm-hmm. I was in there asleep.
Okay, all right, let me get that. Okay, so that's where she didn't want to talk to you, didn't want to communicate. So, from what I'm getting now, you just wanted her to leave. Is this what I'm getting?
Yeah, because if she gonna say stuff like that, I don't know what this girl will end up pulling, what type of stuff she'll end up pulling. So,
does she still intoxicated? Because she was a little bit intoxicated.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. She drunk, so like.
Different.
She's in the house. I've been out here waiting on you guys, so I've been out here like 15 minutes at the most, probably 20 minutes. I was on the phone.
And after making contact with his short-term roommate, it's clear she has no intention of leaving.
My wallet, my purse, my ID,
It's out here. Everything that belongs to you is out here.
My wallet with my ID in it, all that is mine. You wanna wake up and find they sleep? All that is mine.
Yep, it's all right here. When you walk out, it'll be there.
The man is forced to call his niece in order to let her decide who can stay and who has to vacate the property.
I'm just gonna go ahead and I was trying to avoid from calling my niece.
What's your niece's name and giving her phone number?
Yeah, I was literally just gonna call her for you guys.
Then call her.
We definitely haven't been here for no months, so.
I've been here the past 2 months. All my clothes right here. I've been staying here.
And what's her name?
Like
Nia?
You've been staying here the past 3 months, just like me.
Hey Nia, I know you sleep, but what's the name here to your house? I need you to tell the police officers that me and Naja haven't been staying here to your house for no month. Cause I want her to leave. Yeah, Jill let her know
She's
it's.
gonna tell them everything. Of course, she's your niece. She's gonna tell them everything she wants for you to tell them.
Ain't been staying here no
She's
more.
your
What
niece.
are
Of
you
course, she's
talking
gonna
about?
tell them everything you want them to tell. Everything you want them to tell them. The fuck?
My niece, they talking to her. I'm not talking to her.
Hello? Girl, Jarrell, because I'm over here at his niece's house and he done called the police because of been out late night and I left the house
see how quick
and I was
lies-
going wherever the go.
See how
I
quick
come
lies
back
get out?
and I come on you and you call the police because I called the police and I told them that you was trying to put your hands on me. I'm
what
in
I'm
here
saying?
dead sleep. I'm talking about literally dead sleep.
So
You
she
called the police
the
while
first
I'm in here
time.
sleep.
She called the police the first time.
I
If
called
I
the
tried to
police
put my hands on her, why
early
she
last.
didn't
I
tell
called the
him?
police last night. JB shit, it's early o'clock this
Didn't
morning.
call the
I'm in
police
here
last
dead
night. You
sleep.
just called the police. That's how you know
again.
she drunk.
Literally,
Yeah.
call the police again
just-
to your auntie house and tell them.
This
And
my
call
niece's
them and
house.
tell them whatever you in here telling them. I'm in here dead sleep.
Did you give her consent to stay there too?
Yeah, that's right.
But what I'm saying is, how long she's been staying there?
He come like every other week for a couple days.
Okay, so
I mean, she come here sometimes. She come from his house.
okay, so she comes and goes, so she doesn't live there.
Oh no.
No, but what I'm saying is, she comes and go, or she's been staying there for like months or whatever.
And with the green light, one officer tries to explain that she's required to leave, but is quickly shown that this is the last thing she plans on doing.
So you can go and talk.
Like literally dead
She's
sleep.
going to
And
talk
they
to
just woke me up out my sleep.
Alright, man. So here's the thing.
Get out.
Ma'am,
I've been literally, I was dead sleep and they
Ma'am,
told
ma'am.
me to wake up out my sleep to get out.
ma'am. So I just talked,
I called the police the first time once he tried to put his hands on me.
ma'am.
Exactly. This man just tried to put his hands on me and they didn't do shit.
Ma'am,
I called the police and they left the first time. He called them back a second time. Once I'm asleep, I'm not doing shit to this man. I'm perfectly asleep. I'm laying down, dead sleep. I literally just got woke up by the police telling me that I need to leave because he just called them.
okay, ma'am. So the owner of the place wants you to
Exactly,
leave, okay?
because I literally just got woke up out my sleep for a second time.
This is already
For
come
a
back,
second
okay?
time after he just told me,
Ma'am.
after I just got my hands
you might end
put
up going
on.
to jail for disorderly conduct, okay?
I'm not going to get. I'm
Okay,
not
I'm
drunk.
letting you
And I'm not
know.
gonna. I'm at
If
my.
you keep getting louder,
I'm
you're going to jail for disorderly
I'm at
conduct,
work.
okay?
I'm home. I sleep, and I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not going to get
I
in jail
just
for
talked to
nothing.
the owner.
I'm not going to get in jail for nothing.
I just talked to the
I'm
owner
not
of the
going to go to jail
house.
for
She
nothing.
just wants to leave.
I'm
Grab
not
your stuff and
I'm
leave.
not going to
You're
get in
not
jail for
gonna do that.
nothing. I'm not
Grab
going to
your
get in jail
stuff
for
and leave. They
nothing.
want you to leave.
I'm not going to get in jail for nothing.
Grab your stuff and leave.
Like I said, I've been here. I was asleep perfectly fine, and I got woke up by my sleep.
Ma'am,
Bro, it does not matter.
I give you
got
5
woke up
minutes.
by my
I'll give you
sleep
5 minutes.
because I
Grab your
literally
stuff
been
and leave,
asleep.
okay?
I literally got woke up by my every
Go ahead
week.
and grab
You're
your bags.
broke.
Okay. Bye.
You're broke. You're mad. You're mad.
Ma'am, grab
I wanna you're fat.
loud and loud. You're going to jail. Okay,
And I'm
letting
gonna
you
get
know
even
that.
louder because you're mad.
Okay,
The
go ahead
fuck?
and
Which
grab
one
your
you want to do?
stuff.
You want to take my hand
I'm
side? Or you
mad.
want to take his? Because I called you first and I got
Ma'am,
beat on.
go
So
ahead
what
and
you
grab
want to
your
do?
stuff.
And I got phone calls to prove everything. My sister was on the phone with me the whole time. So what you want to do? The first time I called y'all do to his side before you even talk to me. The
Stuff and leave.
So what you want to do? You took my side before you even talk. You took his side before you even talked to me. And I was on the phone with my sister the whole time. The
One thing.
fuck is you talking about?
This is the reason why I called you guys back.
Yes, because
If you want to go inside,
Jarrell,
Yeah, you can go ahead and go
while I
inside.
was
Go ahead and go
sleeping.
inside.
I've been on the phone with my sister the whole time. This is the third time we done been through this shit. The fuck is you talking about? This is the third time we done been through this shit. You go through you do the same over and over and over again. The fuck,
Ma'am, go ahead and grab your stuff, okay? So we all...
yo, how about that?
Ma'am,
I'm off the premises. Y'all could have been left by now.
Ma'am.
I'm off.
this is
I'm gone.
public. This is public housing.
Man.
Different rules apply.
go ahead and
Let
grab your
me
stuff.
go ahead and show you. It's public housing. It's actually private. It's actually motherfucking public housing. And y'all not supposed to be drinking. And y'all not supposed to be doing drugs. But bitches in there drinking and bitches in there smoking and bitches in there doing everything. And they got drugs in the house right now. What you talking about? There's my clothes. Y'all can leave. What y'all doing here? Y'all could have been left. Goodbye. There's my clothes. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. Y'all still here. What is y'all doing? Goodbye. See you later. Bye. Y'all still here. I'm not understanding what the y'all doing. Y'all still here.
Man, we want you off the property, man.
And I'm off the property. The sidewalk is not y'all property.
Go ahead and walk off the property.
The sidewalk is
This
public
is part of
property.
the property,
Alright.
okay?
Actually, the sidewalk, I'm on the sidewalk.
I'm gonna explain it to you.
In the grass.
This is public.
If I'm
public housing, okay?
This is public housing.
This
is public housing.
This whole complex is.
This right here.
All right.
All this right here.
She's gonna go.
Yeah, let's just take her.
It's not y'all. It's not y'all. It's not y'all. It's not y'all. Y'all not gonna get me. Fine.
Okay, we got abandoned property now.
All right.
It's abandoned property. I'm not gonna chase her for disorderly intox.
And as they walk to their vehicles to secure her items, she runs back inside the house. Officers quickly hear a commotion and run back towards her, opening the door only to see Jarrell with a bloody nose trying to physically get Nija off him. The footage is redacted, but she eventually fights with officers, forcing them to pull her out and handcuff her.
Now you
Bro, I didn't do nothing to him.
now you just caught a felony, so good job.
Bro!
We have one female detained. Can you have a female officer down here for search? Gave you more
Should have been there.
This one's gonna be fun.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm great.
Just search his right there. We're not fooling around.
Hey, hey.
Didn't say you did.
So Berkeley what? Berkeley what?
Do you know what burglary means?
I didn't steal I didn't steal nothing.
We're not
If you
charging you with.
stole something,
Yeah,
that would
anything.
be robbery.
Yeah, but that.
If you don't stop kicking the door, we're gonna have to put this on your feet.
Bro, I don't care. Bro, I don't care.
Breathe.
I'm not the one who's supposed to be going to jail, bro. I don't care. I don't care. I don't
don't wanna
care.
make
I
me-
don't care. I don't care.
Deactivated.
Alright, it was good seeing you. Yeah, everything good.
Yeah, she's going to jail.
I had to call Nia to get her out of here.
Yeah, she called me. I'm like, what? She was like, are you at your mom's house? I'm like, yeah, I'm knocked out.
All right, I got to go with him down to the jail. So, all right.
As they arrive at the police department, she plans to reveal an alarming fun fact, and shortly after hopes to weaponize it against the officers.
No, I would stay hot for this. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I thought that's
I think she broke your door. Hey. Out this door or that door?
I don't care. I'm doing my bed.
Your stomach hurts. We're gonna go get Alright, we're going back to the hospital. Come on. We're going to the hospital, okay? Jump in there. We'll go to the hospital.
Just give us a call when y'all are on your way back. Come out, help y'all. If she's still acting like that, hopefully she'll pull off.
She did step in the door.
Yeah, it is. The jail want her to go clear from the hospital because once we got to the jail, she claims she's pregnant. So the jail want her to go and get her. Roger, let's get you inside so they can check you out, okay?
You've got a wheelchair so that you don't have to walk, okay?
Don't have to worry about walking.
Hopefully it's an issue so that you could get sued off the car.
22-year-old Nija faces 4 different charges: burglary with assault or battery, criminal mischief, damages of $1,000 or more, resisting an officer without violence, and disorderly conduct breaching of peace. Under Florida Statute 810.02, burglary with assault or battery is when you're entering or remaining in a dwelling or structure without permission and committing or attempting an assault or battery on someone inside. This is a first-degree felony, punishable with a maximum sentence of life in state prison and a maximum fine of $10,000. This is one of Florida's most serious non-capital felonies, even with no prior record. Guideline points often call for a significant prison sentence if convicted. Under Florida Statute 806.13, criminal mischief damages of $1,000 or more is when you're willfully and maliciously damaging another's property where the damages reach $1,000 or more. In this case, kicking, indenting a patrol car door, which ends up causing damages, is a third-degree felony with a maximum prison sentence of 5 years, 5 years on probation, and up to a $5,000 fine. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is when you're obstructing or opposing a law enforcement officer who is legally performing duties. This could be as simple as pulling away, tensing, refusing lawful commands without using or threatening physical force. The max penalty for this is 1 year in county jail, a $1,000 fine, and up to 1 year in probation, considering this is a first-degree misdemeanor. And lastly, disorderly conduct under Florida Statute 877.03 is when you're displaying outrageous or disruptive conduct that disturbs public order or constitutes a breach of peace. Examples could be screaming, yelling, causing a scene. This is a second-degree misdemeanor with up to 60 days in county jail, up to 6 months of probation, and up to a $500 fine. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.